Cathie Wood talk about Bitcoin a lot, many times, but what does she have to say about Dogecoin? Does she believe that Dogecoin will outperform Tesla as it's backed up by Elon himself? Stay tuned to find out more about The Scoop. Hello folks, welcome back to Facts. We are giving away one whole Ethereum to a random subscriber. If you want to win, make sure to like and subscribe, and also comment your favorite cryptocurrency in the comments. Without further ado, let's dive in. Before heading forward, kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Bitcoin and Dogecoin prices have risen again as a result of Elon Musk's latest tweets, in which he stated that his automobile company Tesla would restart enabling Bitcoin transactions once miners have confirmed that they're using reasonable renewable energy. Musk's statement comes a month after he declared that Tesla would no longer accept Bitcoin payments as promised. The decision was based on environmental concerns related to Bitcoin mining, according to Tesla's CEO. The Bitcoin market reacted negatively to the statement. Before the May 19th crypto market meltdown, most cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, were on a downward trend. Although several cryptocurrencies have recovered since then, Musk's newest vote of faith was likely necessary. While the price increase is welcome news for investors, the crypto market's recent history shows they shouldn't get too happy. The market has been extremely volatile in recent months, and a continuation of this pattern is likely in the near future. The reason for this is that the crypto market is still very new, and it often reacts to government policy, influencer tweets, and other external factors. Elon Musk's role in drawing attention to Bitcoin's environmental concerns, according to Cathie Wood, contributed to the present cryptocurrency decline, but his effect on the digital token will be more favorable in the future. Bitcoin was selling at around $37,000 on Friday, having lost over half its value in the previous several weeks. The highly volatile asset class has slowly crept into the mainstream over the last year, but momentum has halted as criticism of its energy-intensive mining process has resurfaced. Wood theorized that Tesla's ESG-conscious investors, such as BlackRock, whose CEO Larry Fink is particularly committed to placing climate change at the center of investing strategy, would be interested. The celebrity investor, on the other hand, is optimistic about Bitcoin's long-term prospects and believes Musk will be an effective ambassador for the cryptocurrency's environmental image. He has advocated for a lot more debate and critical thinking. I assume he will participate in the process, she stated. Elon Musk, the billionaire CEO of Tesla, has asked top miners to showcase their usage of green energy in order to improve the industry's image. Because of the AUX POW protocol's lower hash rates, Dogecoin is more energy efficient than a pure POW system, like Bitcoin's SHA-256 mining algorithm, but not as efficient as a proof of storage scheme or comparable. According to University of Cambridge researchers, China generated about 2/3 of Bitcoin in April 2020, with Xinjiang accounting for 1/3 of it. It's the same reason that has been known in recent years for the Chinese government's treatment of Uyghur Muslim minorities. According to Bloomberg NEF, industries that rely heavily on inexpensive electricity are frequently driven to Xinjiang, which has enormous natural supplies of coal that are difficult to transfer around China. While experts agree that all cryptocurrencies are environmentally harmful, figures from TRG data centers show that some have a lower impact than others. According to The Business, which is located in Houston, Texas, XRP is the least harmful, consuming only 0.0079 of a kilowatt-hour (kWh) each transaction. Mr. Musk's favorite cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, is assessed at 0.12 kWh by The Business, which he promoted during his recent Saturday Night Live appearance. According to TRG, Litecoin, which has been dubbed the silver to Bitcoin's gold, uses 18.522 kWh, while Ethereum uses 62.56 kWh. At 707 kWh, Bitcoin, the most successful of all cryptocurrencies, is at the bottom of their list. However, not everyone agrees with TRG Data Center's findings. The company has been approached by The Independent to explain its process. According to Blockchain, Dogecoin's average 24-hour hash rate was 291.65 TH per second script, where TH per second stands for terahash, or 1 trillion hashes per second. The 24-hour average for Bitcoin SHA-256 is 165.14 EH per second, where EH per second stands for 1 exahash or 1 quintillion hashes per second. 1 quintillion is a million trillion, suggesting Dogecoin's hash rate is significantly lower than Bitcoin's. Miners must solve a hash in order to be eligible for Doge, Bitcoin, or whatever currency they're mining for. To begin, serious miners sometimes claim that 1 gigahash, billion hashes per second, requires 1 watt of power. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1 terahash per second, while 1 gigawatt is equal to 1 exahash per second. Dogecoin's energy usage might be calculated using the 291.65 kilowatt necessary to power the network every second, because 1 TH per second equals 1 kilowatt, and Dogecoin's hash rate is 291.65 TH per second. Dogecoin's annual energy consumption is estimated to be 2.554854 gigawatt hours, with 60 seconds per minute, 60 minutes per hour, and 8,760 hours in a year. When these data are compared to the United States annual power consumption, which is 3,990 TWh, it's clear that Dogecoin consumes a lot of energy, but it's still a small percentage of what many industries and households consume. Bitcoin's consumption gives 1,446.6264 TWh per year, or over half of the United States' annual energy consumption, though other estimates have put it closer to 60 terawatts annually. We double-checked and triple-checked our data because the data was so shocking. Despite this, determining Dogecoin's true energy footprint is impossible because of the piggybacking/mixed mining method. Some advocates claim that Dogecoin utilizes nearly no electricity because of piggybacking. If 2 or more mining operations piggyback on one another, one of them must finally accept responsibility for the energy consumed. Because Dogecoin still uses a POW algorithm, albeit one that's been merged, mining Dogecoin is growing more difficult and energy-intensive as the blockchain expands. Does this imply that Wood's investment business ARK Invest may investigate Dogecoin in the near future? Because it uses less energy and is backed by Elon Musk himself. Musk has stated that he's striving to increase system transaction efficiency in a tweet. However, it's unclear whether Musk is talking about energy efficiency, ease of use, or currency appropriateness. In another event, one tweet these days is enough to determine the course of any cryptocurrency. In May, Vitalik Buterin, a 27-year-old programmer, became the world's youngest billionaire. Of course, his keen investment eye is to blame for most of this. Elon Musk's comments spurred the creator of the digital currency Ethereum ETH to reveal that he invested $25,000 in the cryptocurrency meme Dogecoin in 2016 and made a profit of almost $4 million. That was the situation. Due to the rise in Dogecoin's price, Vitalik profited $4.3 million after selling half of his tokens. Give Directly, a non-profit organization, received this sum. When Vitalik Buterin brought cryptocurrency inspired by the popular Doge meme, a Shiba Inu dog also known as Cheems, he had no idea that another tycoon would boost his capitalization at the tip of his tweets. We're talking about Elon Musk, who propelled Dogecoin's price up by over 800% in a single day. Despite Musk's effect on Doge and other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, the Russian programmer believes no sophisticated malice is at work. Despite Bitcoin's price surpassing $40,000, a critical psychological threshold, altcoins such as Doge have underperformed, implying that investors are mainly interested in BTC. If a prospective surge in buying pressure materializes, Dogecoin's price must close above $0.328, which is an immediate resistance level. After that, the meme currency must make a greater high than the previous swing high of $0.355, achieved on June 9th. While this rise may serve as a preliminary confirmation, a decisive closing above $0.367 will indicate the commencement of an uptrend. If this happens, Dogecoin's price might hit a resistance level of $0.399, almost 22% higher than where it is now, $0.325. Investors should keep in mind that if the price doesn't move above $0.367, the sellers aren't finished yet. Doge might then retest the demand hurdle at $0.293. A decisive closure below $0.293, on the other hand, will establish a new swing low and open the door to a 25% downswing to $0.213. Before we end this video, allow us to show you the comment of the day. This comment is by Chewy Nut Cluster. Chewy Nut Cluster says, ADA, ETH and Doge are my favorites. Toss me that Ethereum so I can buy more Doge. We hear you, Chewy Nut Cluster. What do you all say about it? Comment below and let us take it ahead. We hope this video was helpful and informational. If you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notifications to stay updated on our upcoming exciting content. Do not forget about the giveaway and comment below to stand a chance to win an Ethereum. Until next time, everyone.